This is a Saturday. We have a baby. No, we got a baby and looking for a mommy. So we're gonna go find mommy. We got the mother in here, and we have a twin, and this is an experienced mom. So now we're gonna go. The baby is out there, and she's not even interested yet. So right now, it looks like we're gonna have a little problem here. And this one here, she's gonna have a baby too. So there you go. Come on, mama, I'll find you, baby. I'll get the baby right here. A baby no mama eh. Hold on, I gotta go get you, mama. I found the mama here. So I'm just waiting for my help so we can put him in the pen. It's okay, baby. Here's the mommy. What's wrong with the mommy? The baby nga, poor baby to ah. Poor baby ah. We need to kick out one of the goat to go over here. The one in the white one. We're loading of babies right now.
I don't understand.
She's an experienced mom.
Yeah. Oh wow, Molly. Okay, where do you want her to go?
That's why I said we're gonna empty one there. There we go. We got the goats up here higher, and Lillian got the mommy goat.
Yeah, mommy goat.
Yeah, and this one here needs to go out. Yeah. Oh, the poor babies. We got twin with the first timer, mommy.
Mommy.
Huh? We'll put it in the other side then. We're gonna put them in all the way to the end. Here, you carry this one. Bait him with the hay. Bear him the hay. Come on, Dama. Come on. Oh, carry this one. Okay.
Okay, back up, Lily.
Lel, you wanna carry the baby? The baby is wet though. Yeah, carry the baby. Hold on. We'll wash your hand. It's okay. It's okay, hon. You just pull the baby. I'll get the other one.
Hey, baby.
Yeah, I'll get the other baby. It's wet. Baby is wet. We're gonna put it in the pen. Yeah, keep going. Keep going, guys. Here, hon. I'll get the other one.
Baby.
Okay, keep going. Go, go, go. Go. Go, baby. Go, mama. Lillian is doing it. Come on. Go, mommy.
Come, mommy.
Go, mommy. Let's go, mama.
Mommy.
Come on, mama. Pull, pull. Yeah. Go, Lil. Go. Go, Lil. You're doing a good job, Lil.
Hey.
Go, Lil.
Mommy.
You're doing a good job. Help Annie in the end of that. There. Okay. Go. Okay. Keep backing up.
Okay, back up.
Get back. It's moving.
Come on, back up.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Go, Lil. Go. Look. Go.
Stop.
Go, Lil. Go. More, more. Come on, baby. Come on.
Mommy.
There.
Come on.
Keep going. Keep going, you guys. Mom, no, baby, hungry. Keep going, guys. Back, 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 Lil. Come, follow Jim. Oi, your allergy. Keep following Jim. Keep following Jim. I'll close the door here. Okay, keep follow Jim. Come on, mama. Shh. Okay, be careful. She's choking a little bit. So we made it over here in the emergency pen. That's good now. You don't have to put anymore. You release.
Yeah, we can release.
That's good now. Mommy, baby. Oh, leave it probably. Leave it because we're gonna let. Oh, never mind.
I'll get it back on there.
Okay. Okay. Let
do
'em-
what goats do for
yeah.
a minute.
Mommy, who's that?
Okay, come on guys, get out. Get out so the mommy can baby get in.